Hi viewers, welcome nature enthusiasts to a journey like no other. Today we are delving into the mesmerizing world of Heron Bonsai, where art and nature coverage. Get ready to embark on a captivating adventure that unveils the secrets behind crafting enchanted miniature worlds. From the graceful flight of herons to the delicate artistry of bonsai, we are about to witness a symphony of a creativity that will leave you amazed. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be entranced by the magic of Heron Bonsai. Section 1. The Allure of Heron Bonsai. Imagine capturing the essence of herons in miniature form. Picture the elegance, the grace, the tranquility, all distilled into tiny living sculptures. These are not just bonsai, they are gateways to another world, where nature comes alive in the palm of your hand. Our mission: to create enchanting worlds that tell stories through bonsai sculptures. Each twist of branch, each delicate leaf, all work in harmony to transport you to a realm where the artistry of humans merges with the beauty of nature. Let's dive deeper into this captivating journey of crafting Heron's bonsai and unlocking the magic within. Section 2. Unveiling the craftsmanship. Crafting Heron bonsai is an intricate dance of imagination and skill. Every twist and turn in the branches, every delicate shaping is a brushstroke in the canvas of nature. But how do we capture the essence of herons in these tiny trees? It's all about technique, careful pruning, wiring, and attention to detail work in harmony to transform simple trees into lifelike herons inspired masterpieces. The artist's hand worked like magic, coaxing life from wood and leaves. The result: a breathtaking fusion of nature's elegance and human ingenuity that will leave you in awe. Let's now dive deeper into a fascinating process of turning trees into living art. Section 3. A glimpse into the process. Let's peek behind the curtain and witness the transformation firsthand. In the enchanting journey of Heron Bonsai, each step is a labor of love, infused with passion and dedication. It all begins with selecting the right tree, where artists search for the perfect canvas that holds the promise of Heron's grace. With precision and care, the process of sculpting its form begins. Its dance of patience and artistry, where every cut and twist shapes the tree's future. The evolution is remarkable, a testament to the fusion of nature's essence and human craftsmanship. So join us as we step into the heart of this creative process, where every stage brings us closer to the miniature world that about to come alive. Section 4. Capturing Heron's Essence. Bringing the elegance of herons to tiny proportions is no small feat. The challenge lies in sculpting every detail, from the curve of their slender necks to the intricate patterns of their feathers. It's like coaxing a whisper of nature grandeur into a miniature canvas. But even it's done right, the results are breathtaking. A fusion of nature's grace and human ingenuity. Imagine gazing upon a bonsai that embodies the every essence of a heron frozen in a moment of serenity. It's testament to the artist's dedication and a reminder that even the tiniest creation can hold boundless beauty. Section 5. Curating miniature realms. Our bonsai creation does not just stand alone. They are placed in enchanting landscapes. It's like stepping into a tiny universe where nature's harmony is beautifully preserved. But there are more to it than meets the eye. These miniature worlds are storytellers in their own right, sharing tales of tranquil watersides and the herons that call them home. Each bonsai is a brushstroke in the canvas of these stories, where the serenity of the surrounding mirrors the grace of the herons. Through careful arrangement, we craft a heaven of tranquility that captures the heart and fuels the imagination. Get ready to be transported into these tiny realms where nature and art become one. Section 6. The Tranquility Effect. The sight of Heron Bonsai Garden evokes peace and serenity. In our fast-paced world, these tiny worlds offer a moment of respite. As we gaze upon the intricate detail of these miniature landscapes, we are transported to a realm where time seems to slow down. The delicate balance of nature and artistry create a soothing harmony that touches our hearts. In the midst of life, hustle and bustle, these enchanting creations remind us to pause, to breathe, and to find solace in the beauty of simplicity. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the tranquility of Heron Bonsai and let gentle serenity wash over you. Section 7. Joining the Heron Bonsai movement. You too can embark on this journey of artistry and nature. Whether you are an experienced bonsai enthusiast or just beginning your creative adventure, Heron Bonsai welcomes all with open arms. Imagine sculpting your very own miniature heron inspired world, a world that brings tranquility and beauty into your space. But you won't be alone on this journey. Workshops, guides, and supportive community await those who dare to create their own miniature wonders. Together, we shall nurture both the bonsai and the artist within you. So, why wait? Join the Heroine Bonsai movement and let your creativity take flight. Section 8. The enchantment continues. And as we continue to sculpt, prune, and dream, the enchantment of heroin bonsai grows. Each delicate trim and every carefully shaped branch adds to the allure of these miniature worlds. The beauty of nature and the artistry of human hands come together in perfect harmony, reminding us of the wonders that can be created when imagination takes flight. But this is just the beginning of our journey. There's so much more to explore, create, and share. So don't miss out. Be sure subscribe to our channel and stay captivated by the magic of these enchanting miniature worlds. Let's keep the spirit of Heron Bonsai alive together. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure. As our journey comes to a close, we have traveled from simple trees to memorizing Heron-inspired art, unveiling the secret of Heron bonsai. The beauty of nature and the skill of human hands have come together in harmony, creating these enchanting miniature worlds. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of crafting enchanting miniature worlds. We hope this glimpse into the world of Heron Bonsai has left a lasting impression on you. Until next time, remember to keep the magic alive in your own way. Whether it's through creating art, connecting with nature, or simply finding moments of tranquility, the enchantment is all around us. Take care, and may your journey be as beautiful as the heron bonsai we have discovered together.